Whether you wish to collaborate with your team or just visualize your ideas, the built-in ClickMeeting whiteboard is the tool for you. To create a new whiteboard or access one from your library, enter the event room and select a pencil icon from the menu. Click New Whiteboard to create one and add it to your library. An infinite blank grid will appear. It's time to change it. Start with sticky notes. Fill them with text. Move them around. Resize them. And change their color. Need to make a diagram? Just connect them with arrows. Choose Collaborate to let others join in. Hide their names if you wish. You can all draw by hand, or use one of the shape templates and stylize them. You can add some images if needed, and then modify them. Select, move, scale, rotate. Copy, or delete any object you like. Zoom out. Move to another location by right-clicking and dragging the whiteboard, and zoom in again to see what others are doing. Choose the Follow Me option if you want others to see exactly the part of the whiteboard you are looking at. If you are lost, click here to display a handy mini-map. Navigate through the whiteboard by left-clicking on the selected area. When the whiteboard session is over, you can export your work to a file. That's not all. As soon as you quit, all whiteboard data is automatically saved to your library. If you wish to work on this particular whiteboard later, just click the pencil icon again. This is your previously saved whiteboard. You can open and modify it in any of your event rooms. Rename it, duplicate it, or delete it if you wish. If 3 slots in your whiteboard library are not enough for you, use this option to purchase more. You can still use the draft board. It just won't be saved after the event. Enjoy working with your whiteboard.